part. Look at all that
Middle
buying.
volume.
32nd is also in a slip range.
Max volume. Middle volume.
Pretty fucking. Very, very slip heavy. It's my 3 minute. I want to put that on the other screen. Want to stay on top of this.
Sorry, I was just trying to configure my headset. My wife got me Astro A50s for my birthday. Astro A50s, man.
Please register now.
Awesome. Astro, they're like a gaming headset, wireless gaming headset.
Middle volume.
Yeah. Yeah, they're fucking sick. Although I'm having problems with price squawk. Okay. Let me do that.
Welcome to Market Open. Please register now.
Sell.
Volume. So let's. Take our time. Oh, they're hitting into a critical area above.
Welcome to Market Open. Please register now. Sell.
3 minutes has a lot of reclaiming. They're reloading the fucking shit out of it. That's for fucking sure. Up a point long based off this 3-minute reclaim. Which, if you guys look here on the 3-minute, there's a big ass reclaim right there. I think they're worth draw. Like, I don't know, man. It's that volume, dude.
Yeah.
They're always balancing inventory. Always. They're always balancing inventory.
It's like Stimpy. I don't know if you've ever watched Stimpy on fucking YouTube.
No, I haven't.
He plays Rust and Daisy.
Oh, I
He
fucking
betrays
love Rust and Daisy, dude.
He betrays everybody, and there's this little kid that's crying. He goes, "He betrays everybody." I don't know. It's like a famous quote. It's funny.
That's fucking
He's like
funny.
almost crying. The market reclaims everything.
I fucking miss Daisy, man. You ever play that game?
Yes, I love it. That's a game you can't just quit though if you're building
No,
bases. It's
dude.
like, fuck, I gotta go put my fucking shit in the shed or something.
I had to stop. I had to stop playing it, dude. It was legitimately an addiction after a while. Like fucking, oh, somebody's raiding my base. I got to get online and defend it. You know, it's like it was never ending, dude. I probably have like 10,000 hours on that game, legitimately. I think I've played it more than any other game. That's funny. I wonder if that's the personality of like our MO, like those Daisy like survival type games.
It's just a good game, dude. For me, it was nostalgic because I watched Frankie.
You
play it
watched
when he
fucking
played.
Frankie, dude? No way. Get the fuck out of here. I watched Frankie on PC way back when Daisy was a mod. Fucking Arma 3, Daisy
Oh,
or Arma
yeah.
2, yeah. Dude, that's hilarious. That's so niche. I've never met anyone who also watched Frankie before. That's fucking hilarious.
The guy I like now is Smoke. Smoke is.
I've heard of him before. I don't think I'm subscribed to him, but I've definitely heard of him. He's like one of the big Daisy YouTubers.
I like his approach because he'll like rob people and not kill them.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fun for me. I have friends to this day that I met because I would approach them instead of kill them on DayZ, and we ended up being really close friends, even to this day. And it's a fun way to play the game instead of just killing everyone, you know.
Yeah. Does he play on PC?
No, I wanted to, but I couldn't afford a PC for the longest time. So
So
when
he
it,
played a lot of Chernarus then.
yeah, I've played so much fucking Chernarus and Livonia. I played the new one, Frostline, for like a couple weeks, but that was when I'm currently really trying to devote time to trading, and I had to make a decision. I was like, I can't.
Yep.
You can't play DayZ casually, you know. Like one of those things where you're either playing it every day or you're not. But it holds a special place in my heart.
I mean, there are those servers that have no base building that a lot of streamers play because otherwise they're gonna get stream rated. You know?
Yeah. We played on a pretty chill one that was like only base rated on weekends. And that was really fun. But what happens on those servers is people build these fucking clans, and then you get these big Zerg fucking clans that come and raid you with 20 people. It gets kind of bullshitty at that point.
There's a giant fucking red reclaim right next to us.
Yeah, I'm watching it too. I gotta do my checklist still.
Perhaps they held it. They did not find buyers there.
Sell, 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 buy, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell,
8 or 10 tickets.
sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, sell,
But
buy,
they're gonna push it in there.
sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 sell,
On 843.
sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy,
Some flat tops right above us in the tens on the higher time frames. Steady grind up. Hey, is there news today?
I can check
On it,
for you.
open.
2 seconds. Looking on the calendar. Today's Friday. No U.S. economic news.
Of course, you guys are gonna do that. Funkin', bunk, 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 right there.
Yeah.
It's kind of amazing how they're balancing inventory.
Yeah, the checklist is looking pretty mixed right now.
Now it's going up on like virtually air right here. Of course.
It looks like whenever we're delta neutral on the 30-minute, we just kind of fucking chop, which makes sense when I say it. But that's where we are right now. We're just delta neutral, which means we're kind of just chopping around.
Yeah. We're also near a midpoint, a mid pivot on a measured move off the 30-minute range.
Yeah, I noticed that too. I want to get a 5-minute chart here.
They're kind of pulling the upper region. It's going up on like natural volume, I should say.
You got a doji on the 5-minute.
Where at?
The last 5-minute candle was a doji.
Oh, there's two on the fucking 30-second actually.
Delta looks like it's compressing.
Holy fuck.
I'm gonna try a pulse check long here, 675.
Yeah, very long bias, 625s. But it's not, it's kind of just flounder fucking, man.
Yeah.
There's a lot of reclaim above us on the 30-second delta.
I'd probably take it there for a point. I mean, we are in a really nice slip range.
But thing is, they may blow it up high, dude.
Yeah,
They
I'm not
keep
gonna
fucking
short
doing
it.
the 30-second reclaims are being partialed on the
Yeah.
Delta, which is interesting. Like, I think they're pushing, there's a flat top at 10s. They may try to test it. Yeah, I've had a trade on at 625 forever. I'm just cutting it because it's just, fuck, that son of a bitch is just going on and on and on. I'm up
Yeah.
160, $160. How long was I in that for? 9 fucking minutes. They are refusing to take these damn reclaims. I wonder if they get hit like days later. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Same with gap fills. Like I noticed a lot of gaps on the Delta. A lot of buyers on the squawk here.
There's that goddamn 10 right when I decide to fucking exit. Sacrificial exit. Right through the reclaim too. But they may not break the high, dude. This is a slip range. They
Yeah.
could dump it. Look at that damn reclaim right there.
Yeah, and it sounded like we had a lot of late buyers, according to the squawk.
It's a flat top. 2 dojis here. There, see. Not pulling apart. Dude, they're pulling partials on the Delta reclaim. That's fucking nuts. It's interesting because they're trying to balance the fucking books, man.
Yeah.
They just pulled the whole fucking thing. Almost. They just pulled the whole goddamn thing. Almost. And it's super reloading.
Those two back-to-back dojis on the 30-second probably would have been good, a good long entry.
Yeah, I was there for 9 minutes on a 625 or whatever.
I'm gonna highlight these doji graveyards. Looks like we're currently trading into one on the 15-second.
Damn, it's already almost at the top and the fucking buying hasn't hit the reclaim yet.
Yeah.
Problem is they're taking partials and shit. See, it's funny because I really think the market makers don't give a fuck about the price. They just kind of have to like, they're like a fucking sheepdog, dude.
Yeah, the price can do whatever the
Just-
fuck it wants. It doesn't matter
Yeah,
to
they're
them.
just hurting. They're hurting balancing their inventory all around it. That was I'll take a point off that long because it's a partial reclaim. I don't know if they're gonna actually go through that.
Doji on the 30-second.
Like I got it in 8s once they took this reclaim back.
Looks like they're gonna try to print 2 dojis. No, they failed.
Let's see if the 3-minute has one. Nothing. You got the 2 down here, but they might want to take them back in the 6s on the 30.
Yeah. It's a graveyard on the 15-second too. All the way down to like 6s.
So we're looking for at a doji. They went through. Was you keep tracking those because those are interesting.
Yeah, right down to 6s. We literally fucking called it 30 seconds ago.
They're taking partials, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna watch this for a delta reclaim. I'm gonna take it right side of the V. 675 long.
Remember, they're taking partials.
Yeah, I'm watching it like a hawk, dude. I'm gonna take it here for a point.
There you go. Just get the points.
Yeah, got the point.
You all right? You sound like you're breathing heavy.
Yeah, if anything, I'm kind of excited, not in a P&L form of excitement, but in an edge kind of excitement, because I'm like, holy fuck, that worked, you know? I think if I was just using price action for that trade, I would have been so hesitant to go long because it's momentum. Like we just failed. It's momentum to the downside. We just put in a really sharp candle. I would have been really scared to go long there. But I knew we had a delta reclaim, and we've at least been taking partials, which means it's good for a
Yeah,
scalp.
dude.
It's good for a scalp, and that's it.
That's
So-
how I think it is, man. They're trying to balance the fucking warehouse, and their reloading causes the price to drift.
Yeah, there's a nuance
It's
to it.
It's like NQ and ES move the same, especially if you tick compress NQ,
Mhm.
but due to the different contract sizes, there's a drift to it.
Yeah.
So I think when these market makers they don't give a fuck. They're picking up ticks.
Yeah, they
whatever.
could give a fuck where the price is at, and they're
So, yeah.
wash trading.
Yep.
Yeah.
So they're I have a feeling though, if they hit one of these partials, they go beyond this partial up here, it's gonna fucking run like a motherfucker.
Yeah, because it's compressing. The delta's compressing.
Doji below just fucking bounced again.
Yeah. That was the
Doji
bottom
below
of the
just-
graveyard. We touched the bottom of the graveyard. Man, that's so fucking interesting.
Yeah, they're just balancing inventory, you see?
Yeah.
It's unruly. And then buyers and like they start reloading, and the buyers and sellers get frustrated, and they come out the other side, and then it's selling, and then they're like, "Well, fuck, it's reloading." And then they start buying or whatever, and they're like, "Fuck, it's hitting resistance," and then they start selling, and it's them. The market makers are just trying to fucking do whatever.
Yeah.
They're hitting in that son of a bitch right above us. Just a little bit of reclaim left on it.
Yeah.
Oh, of course they double.
They're like barcoding the delta here.
My pick loss. I got in way too early on that. Sucks.
Too early? Did you
What's
short?
up?
Yeah, no, I went long. I thought they were gonna push into it, and it just fizzled out. I'm down 82.80. I was up 713, but doesn't matter.
Doji on the 32nd.
They actually dojied the fucking delta too. Yeah, it's getting pinched.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in an ugly area, man. This reminds me of I think it was fucking Monday or Tuesday when they just ranged for like 2.5 hours.
The forming, and then it went short.
See, now we're at the bottom of the range, but the delta's still not at the bottom of its range, which means like I'm not gonna go long here.
There will be a break of this range. We need to just wait.
Yeah, like if I was just watching price action right now, I would probably be long. But delta's not telling me that. The delta's telling me this could puke low.
They just took a partial on the low. Like there's a clear resistance. There's a reclaim back here on the delta, and then there's just a little bit below us.
Yeah, look at that
Reach.
dude. I'd be fucking sweating if I was long right now. It's after 10 o'clock too, which I know they like to put in moves after 10 o'clock.
There's a little bit down here.
We are in a range on the 5-minute.
Yeah, I see it on the 30. They might take a partial reclaim below us, unless they're gonna take some of that shit above.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it for a partial reclaim, but I want to shimmy back. I don't think it's gonna give it to me.
I think it's over with. They already took
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I was late to realizing that. But the idea would have worked, if I was a little earlier. The idea would have worked.
God, there's so many of them above, though. Just like little bits of it. Blew out.
Yep. Putting in the reclaim on the delta. Kind of like a V flush almost.
Some more above us.
This is so fucking interesting.
See, the problem is there's a reclaim below and above.
Yeah.
Now at this point.
Ooh.
Okay, well that solves that problem.
Yeah.
That definitely solves that fucking problem.
Fucking Squawk just gave me a jump scare.
They blew out everything on the low end.
Yep. Cleared it. It's like clearing inventory. They just cleared everything down there.
That's disgusting.
So now with this sharp wick, I'm not sure how they're gonna reclaim this. You know, I'm gonna take a pulse check at 5 long. Mm, I may not have gotten filled on that. And the delta's kind of hesitating. I feel like when delta reclaims, it should do it a little faster. See, I'm not even looking at the fucking price anymore. I could have got a point out of there. I'd probably take it here for a point if I did get filled on it.
Yeah, I'm trying to get out for a point. 525. I'm like fucking in the front of the queue at 625, but nothing is hitting me. Okay, they got out 8 contracts. Fuck, I still have 6 sitting up there. Come on, get the final. He ain't gonna give it to me, is he? That's disgusting.
Yeah, it is pretty fucking gross. Oh, there
There
you
we
go.
go, you motherfuckers. Jesus Christ.
That's nasty, dude. Are you trading 14 lots now?
What?
Are you trading 14 lots?
No. I had 6 in the front. They got out a bunch of it, but then there was 6 left.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
That just happened to be what was there when they cleared it.
Yeah. They're not reclaiming on the delta, man. Look at it.
Yeah, I have well, somebody belched it, and I feel like they might belch it again. We need to probably look at what's below this. There's actually a shitload of reclaim from yesterday, so I suggest don't have your delta start over.
What do you mean?
From the overnight session, you want to F6 on it, and then you want to go to
On the 32nd?
no, reset at trading day. Reset started trading day. No.
Analysis.
Or no on both.
Cumulative delta. Reset. No.
On both.
Apply.
Because otherwise it goes back
Oh.
to 0, and I don't think that's a good idea because there's overnight fucking inventory.
Okay. Do you want me, should I do that on all my charts, all my time frames?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a fucking hardcore. Near the close. Reclaim.
Studies cumulative.
I think that's what it's about, dude. It's about just tracking. Now, sometimes you'll see them reclaim and it's like 0 volume or some bullshit.
Yeah. Okay, this is interesting. I see what you're saying now.
And what's happening, there was so much buying on the close that I think they're holding it because they're trying to balance their fucking inventory. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh wait, do we just... Is there a doji up here? There was, and we just fucking breached it. Doji above. Long. There's so much damn reclaim below too. Now.
When I look at the 5 minute, yeah, we do a fat reclaim below us on the 5 minute. I didn't see that before I changed that setting.
Yeah, because that's the auction on close, dude. You know how they're all at the last 10 minutes, all that volume comes in?
Yeah, they gotta fucking get out of their positions or reload or whatever.
See, now they're breaking the top of the range, but I'm wondering if it's just gonna V-flush and come back in.
Yeah, because now we just printed that big ass reclaim below us on the delta.
How do you prevent tape bombs to stop you out? These spikes are nasty. I don't know what to tell you.
I'm gonna try a short here,
Sometimes
950.
you just get fucked. Well, there's a little reclaim above us, and if you do get this, make sure you're fucking just taking a little scalp.
Yeah.
I have a feeling buyers are gonna try to hit into this fucking resistance area, maybe. But you might have it. Get the point. Get the point.
Got it.
You said 950?
Yep, I just took it out.
Good.
Oh man, this is so fucking interesting.
Right? If you want to know how to prevent tape bombs, make sure there's no delta reclaim, I guess.
Yep.
Six trades in. I'm up 470. Floundering a little bit, but now I know they take partial reclaims. I didn't realize that was a fucking or partial deltas. If we take that big ass motherfucker on that downside, this is gonna be huge, and you're gonna get a measured move out of this fucking thing. Because it's look at this. That's this is going to measured move at least 5 points. You do have like mini reclaims on the 3 second. The problem with those is like you might get a tick or two out of them.
Yeah, I was about to say the same thing. I'm not crazy about those mini reclaims. Because it could reclaim it and the price won't move. Because like you said, they don't give a fuck what the current price is at. But if they put in a really deep fucking reclaim on the delta, it's like price will probably move a
Like they
point
just
or
took a good
two.
reclaim. They just took a reclaim on the 3 second and it went 2 ticks.
2 ticks, yeah. Which there's still edge in 2 ticks, you know, don't get me wrong. It's just it's hard. It's really hard to, at least for me, to execute that kind of trade.
It's not worth it.
Yeah.
At least a minimum of a point. And you're taking 2 if it's just not giving it to you.
Yeah.
Well, that went up on not much.
I know what you mean now. This does have like the too good to be true feel to it.
Still takes finesse and skill,
Oh,
despite their day using it.
yeah, like my pulse check after that wick down would have been a loser.
Yeah.
Because there was nuance there. There's a reclaim, but it wicked, and then we didn't take it back immediately. So it's still a skill. It's not like traders like to think that there's just this magic indicator you can throw on that's going to make you money, but it's no. It's like it's a skill, and you still have to layer it. Like you and me are layering other technical factors. We're not just trading this one indicator, you know.
Make sure you're drawn. I was watching. There's this channel I watch called Clearview Tax, but he just talks about politics or like
Mhm.
trading, like silver. He said it's been manipulated. Everybody knows it's manipulated, and apparently it's getting squeezed on the long end.
Yeah.
People are trying to take delivery, but they don't have enough to give people.
Oh,
When I look at
interesting.
silver price action with the delta, it's just as bad as ES.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. I know.
And if you look at other like if ES in the overnight, there's times where the delta is moving well with the price, but then there's times where you're just getting that heavy reloading.
Yeah.
That's when it's becoming manipulated.
Mhm.
You can look at other products. Crude is manipulated. Gold is interesting because there's times where it's not so heavily manipulated.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw Merritt tweeting yesterday about how gold lately has had a wider ATR than fucking NQ, which is crazy to think about. Like gold is more volatile than fucking NASDAQ.
God damn, dude, there's every reason to be short. Here. Here. It just ain't quite doing it.
Good slip range here.
3 minute. 3 minute has its biggest reclaim to the downside.
I'm gonna try a punch short for this slip range, but I'm gonna keep it tight. If it accepts into nines, I'm gonna take it off for 2 ticks.
It's a little bit a delta slip above you too.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this for 2 ticks.
I have to just take it now.
Yeah. Yeah, I took it out there.
Well, they could pull back a bit now.
That's okay, I didn't want to risk it. I'm already out of it.
Now they're hitting all the shit above. There's reclaim above us. I think they're gonna gun it down. Not much.
Alright,
God damn, these motherfuckers, dude, will not fucking fill me for fucking shit.
I'm gonna try
They
to
took
it.
a loss. I went long and I took it out. They will not fucking fill you.
Short 975, but if the delta doesn't pull back here, I'm gonna flat key it. I'm watching that delta.
You might get 2 out of it. 2
Yeah, I'm
points.
watching the delta. I'm just seeing what we do on these reclaims here.
You still have more than half, but they could reroll back.
They
You
could
have-
partial it, yeah. If they're partial into the downside, what's stopping them from partial into the upside?
Really consider bankrolling.
Yeah.
925s?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take it here. Got it at 8.
That fixes that last one.
Yeah, yeah, that more than fixes it.
Good.
That was a 7-tick win.
I thought about joining that one. Partial high, partial low. Kooky, man.
Man, that fucking worked. I just gotta switch my laundry real quick. I'll be right back.
And I really feel like we're in a squeeze point here. Fuck, I tried to get in that short. I couldn't get into it. Another fucking partial. Thumbtack. Thinking I'd hit a partial here.
Alright, I'm back.
There's so many, dude. There's partials on both fucking ends of this son of a bitch. I have a feeling it's gonna just get really fucking tight. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of what the theme has been.
Well, looks like they took a full.
Could be a changing character.
Or if they're gonna belch it up. Tight.
See what the 5 minute looks like. Oh, the delta's so tight on the 5 minute. Kind of a coin toss, man. It could fucking blow either direction.
Well, it's interesting because when the open happened, they cleared all the inventory on the low side with that last major puke.
Yeah, with the wick. Doji on the 30-second. Two dojis on the 30-second. See, if we're talking just technical price action, I would want a short here. But what the delta's telling me is that we already took back that reclaim partially. And I just
Might
don't
do a
think.
partial dump here, but it could reload.
Yeah, and it could only be worth 2 or 3 ticks.
Delta is uptrending, which is interesting.
Yeah.
These motherfuckers need a news event. They need some tariffs.
Barcoding hard on the 1 second. Or the 3-second, rather.
Ooh, that was natural volume up. They didn't reload that. On the 3. Good.
Another doji on the 30-second.
This is natural volume, actually, without like heavy manipulation. It is. A little bit of manipulation right there.
Max volume.
It's a pretty substantial reclaim. I'm going to see. Oh, it's already gone.
Could be a partial here.
Yeah.
On the low.
Yeah, it could be
Kinda
worth a
compressed
long.
on this high.
Dude, the last couple days they've put in these little micro ranges before they break out. Sometimes those breakouts V flush, but for what it's worth, they've been doing that. I'm gonna take it 950 long. I'm gonna keep it tight though, bottom of this range. If it breaks, I'm gonna flat key it.
Problem is there's a way more reclaim below than above.
Yeah. I'm gonna take it for one tick if it'll give it to me. Yeah, I got the
That's
one.
sacrificial. There you go. Take that sacrifice so it goes up.
Yeah, yeah. What are you trying to tell me? Are you wrong? It's one of us, man. It's been so long since both of us nailed a trade. It's either one of us gets sacrificed or the other. Well, that was a good fucking exit. Now we got to reclaim to the upside.
You would think, but
Yeah, the 30 seconds didn't really do much. I'm gonna try right side of the V. I take 2 ticks on it.
good job.
There, got 2 ticks on it. Man, I feel fucking good today, man. I haven't felt like this since fucking February, March. Doji 30 second. We're trading back into that Doji graveyard.
Yeah, we know they've been going through those things. I wonder if this is what compression looks like. Like, we don't know what these things look like from a delta perspective.
Yeah. We gotta get Miller on this, man. Have you talked to him lately?
He wasn't here. Yeah, he's seen it.
Because I feel like slip. I feel like this complements slip so well.
Yeah, it kind of tells you if it is good or not.
Yeah.
What you just nailed, you greased like a fucking, you greased it. You did it like I do it. You caught a bottom,
Yeah.
no problem.
Yeah, and I'm usually very bad at doing that. It's a confidence thing. Like I know slip works. Ooh,
Yes, I knew it!
fuck. Did you get that?
I was sitting at 925 before you.
Fuck, man.
Fuck, but I think I hit the flat key. I think it came out way lower.
Yeah, you ate slippage on that probably, but still, man.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Hopefully I got a little bit off. Oh, 1600 on it. I'll take it.
Fuck yeah.
God damn, I fought my dick off 8 trades.
Good shit, man.
1877. Dude, I told you they might belch the top like the low because they're still reclaimed, dude. That's how it
Yeah,
works.
man. You fucking nailed that.
Well, when you got out, I'm like, oh, and then you took that. That's why I was excited for you to get out.
Sacrificial, yeah. I knew it. I knew it. I'm not an idiot. I knew it.
I'm like, I need that.
That's fucking funny, dude.
Somebody's got to give it up.
That's funny, man. Good shit, dude. That was an awesome trade. That was an awesome idea.
Well, I'll sit here, but I'm gonna
Yeah, I'm gonna watch this move play out, but I'm perfectly content with being done for the day, dude. I'm sitting
We
pretty.
need to do like a hypnosis or some shit here in a moment.
Yeah. I feel fucking awesome right now, and I don't really want to give that feeling back, you know?
You've been greasing them though, man.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
don't
dude.
know. I had a feeling. I had a feeling volume would complement what, like, help you.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it would be in the form of actual delta.
Yeah, me neither. I never
Just
thought
makes
I would use Delta.
well, I think of regular volume candlestick style would show exactly the same shit.
Yeah, me too.
Because delta is buy order minus sell, but hypothetically, volume will show you the same thing because
Yeah.
all those hundreds of contracts that come in will cancel each other out on a candlestick.
Yeah, it's technically Delta, but in my opinion, this is just volume. I'm just looking at volume in candlestick format. And I would have never thought to do that on my own. Because in my mind, it's always two different things. Like Delta has always been two different things from volume. But what we're looking at right here, cumulative Delta, is it's just volume.
Yep. It just shows the outstanding orders, the
Yeah.
ones that are not.
Accounted for.
Yeah, that they didn't wash or whatever.
Hmm.
And I don't know, Anna's, I think that chapter 2 or whatever in Anna's book, Why Volume or whatever,
Hmm.
that's all they're doing is balancing inventory. She even says the market makers don't really give a fuck about the price. I'm pretty sure. But it just makes sense to look at it from a candlestick because you can see when there's hardcore fucking just reloading the
Mhm.
price in a certain area. Like when you know they're reloading, but it just helps you really see the fucking reloading.
Yeah.
Man, when I was brand new, I had it up for years, dude. Never caught on to it.
Just didn't know what you
I
were
made a
looking
video where I'm talk shit about it. I'm like, sometimes it goes up, but the market goes down, and sometimes it goes up, and the market. Little did I know that it was
at.
manipulation.
Yeah. Yeah. And now you're using that exact same theory for Edge. That's funny. That's
I mean,
trading.
it still takes finesse, obviously. Like I mean, yesterday was, oof, but like today, like I did make some mistakes. I would say that if I review today, I could see how I might have got in way too early,
Yeah.
which did cause problems or whatever. Also, I didn't realize they would do partials. Because like the 2 prior days, they were just taking them.
Yeah. And yesterday, I didn't have a horrible day yesterday, but it was tough. I didn't really know what I was looking at. It wasn't until I was at work last night and you sent me that voice message, and I listened to it and I was like, holy fuck. I'm like, that's what I'm supposed to be looking at. You know?
I think that was 2 days ago. Yeah.
It was something, and that was my moment. That's when the bells went off. I was like, oh shit, this is how I'm supposed to be using it. Yeah, V flush delta, they will move it up, and the price action may break that high. I think the reason they spoof or thin out is to test lower high for FOMO traders.
They're testing for buyers and sellers. Like, if you zoom in and go bar by bar, here on the 3-minute, look at my stream. You have to really go bar by bar.
Yeah.
It's more, but like,
you gotta zoom in.
See, this is a little bit of volume, but that green candle's taller.
Yeah.
And I don't know if they're really truly, yeah, they do spoof at times, but most of the time it seems like the limits are reloading.
Mhm.
Most of the time it seems like there's more than what's there. When you seem to get those smooth moves, at least today, whatever's on the limits is just what's trading.
Yeah.
But- So now they're reloading. So that to me would be natural. But that's why I didn't put on that last long. I'm like, oh, that's natural buying. Like they're not even reloading any of that buying.
Yeah.
So like then you look at tall green bar, small green volume here. So they let it go up a little bit to test for more buying.
Yeah.
But they're also kind of trying to reload too. Notice the selling volume was huge here compared to the bar. This bar is slightly smaller than that, but the
Mhm.
volume was bigger. They're reloading.
Yeah.
They're reloading. Then a little bit of selling. This bar's small as well, reloading. Now notice the screen goes up high, but it's on barely any buying. They're not reloading. Maybe they're pulling a little bit, just a little bit,
Mhm.
just a little bit. I think the spoofing they're doing is just a little bit.
Yeah.
Because they can't get flagged for bullshit. And then here, huge sell again, but then it actually hammered here.
Yeah.
So that's telling you that the buyers naturally are buying back right there. So it
Mhm.
did sell initially, but buyers are coming in. Then you have this green buying, but this one up higher, so they're letting it slip out a little bit. Because here's the thing, when you're working a tick, you're not always getting filled, right?
Yeah.
So what happens is I think they slip it a little bit to attract more FOMO buyers to
Mhm.
then reload it.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. They almost have to. It's an auction. They
Exactly.
have to drop the prices in order to get more demand. Even on the micro time frame. It's all fractal.
Count today. That was your trades today.
Yeah. Yeah, that's me today.
God damn. I think we've so like notice that there's heavy selling here, but look how they fucking this bar just
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't go nearly as low. And it doesn't kick back. Then you have heavier buying. This goes up, but notice the volume here is roughly about the same. It did kick back down when it closed, so it's a bit smaller than that bar, but that green is bigger.
Yeah.
Either way, whatever they're doing, it's an anomaly, which is interesting because Anna really doesn't get into what they're specifically doing. She's just saying it's not right.
Yeah.
So when that bar to volume ratio doesn't match, they're doing some form of manipulation, which is all the time. Is what I've discovered looking at it for the last few days. But overall, they're just trying to bounce inventory, plain and simple.
Yeah.
And now there's a reclaim above us on the 3-minute. I don't know if they're going to go through it. It's kind of like 50-50 at this point. See, heavy buying, but look how they're holding it.
Yeah.
You can even hear it on the squawk. It's like bop, 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 but then it's not going anywhere. But you got to realize that the market makers, sure, they're fucking banging around in here, but overall, they had to provide liquidity as this went up
Mm-hmm.
on that big up move. So they may still be in a bad position, and then they're going to have to work it out.
Yeah.
So when there's like a major trend day or some shit, they're kind of in a bad position. And yeah, they're always working the micro moves and shit, but overall, net, they're kind of in a fucked position.
Mm-hmm.
This is why she talks about in the book the accumulation and distribution phases. After major trends, they hold it sideways because they got to restock the warehouse, so they have to start to rebalance the inventory because it got offset from the trend.
Yeah.
That's what's happening. I mean, they're fucking buying mad crazy. They just went through this 3-minute reclaim, but it's like, dude, it's only going up a point. I mean, come on. You know, or
Yeah.
5 ticks or what have you. I mean, shit. But there was somebody sitting there wanting to get filled there.
Yeah, and I think that's kind of the reason why I think this is so hard for people to utilize, because if it works so well, everyone would be doing it. But the nuance, I think, is that, like you said, a whole fuckload of buying will come in, but it only goes up 4 ticks. And if you're a beginner trader or even an intermediate trader, you're sitting there like, oh, it doesn't make sense. It's so manipulated. It only went up 4 ticks. Like, oh, now I'm underwater on it. Now I got to take a loss. Where it's like, if you understand the nuance, you can take it for 4 ticks because it's only worth 4 ticks. And I think that's why I did so
Yeah.
well today is because it's like,
Well, the
not.
average rotations are shit anyways. I mean, it
Yeah,
is barcoding, so you know that you're not getting much.
yeah, regardless. But I think that's why our skill set complements this so well, or vice versa rather. I think as a scalper, it's like just having that little bit of edge, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. Lets you get those 4 ticks. It's easier to predict the next 4 ticks than it is the next 4 points. You know?
It's interesting because I don't think this is measure moving out, but I don't know. I've kind of used all of the order flow tools.
Hmm.
Time of sales, DOM, footprint, delta, histograms, profile. And I don't know. It seems pretty obvious, but it really isn't. For me, it's like, wow, I'm just now figuring out this shit.
Hmm.
It just gave a whole new meaning to how the market's actually fucking functioning.
Yeah. It's a new
Like on
outlook,
these,
and I feel it. Like I can feel it. It's kind of like when I discovered Slip. I was like, oh, there's something here. And maybe this feeling that I have now about Delta will fade over time, and I'm like, it's not that good, but it's still something. I still use Slip every day.
well, I mean, you did nail a slip trade.
And
I
that's the
think if
thing
you
is,
have like,
Delta is complementing Slip so
yeah,
well.
exactly. That's what I figured. And something's happening in the order flow to even create a slip trade,
Yeah.
anyways. You know?
Hmm.
So I don't know. And I guess it makes sense from when I was running the power meters and constantly noticing them balancing for some time now.
Yeah.
I made the order flow doesn't work video, and I explained that concept. The market orders are always balancing. I didn't know why. And I guess Anna's book makes it make sense. And it makes more sense if you look at it. If you start to, because she talks about the histograms, which I think are they're still difficult to read on ES, and that's because of the amount of fucking reloading that's going on, and being
Hmm.
able to just see volume in a more candle-like perspective. Look, they're just hitting that damn reclaim on the fucking delta, and there is a slight reclaim.
It's so cool, dude.
They just need to balance their inventory
Yeah.
constantly because they're working the limits. So when there's way too much buying or selling, that's how they manipulate the market. They just let it fucking reload into them. Like this hard up move, they're fucking look, and what they're doing is they're working because it barely went down here, but the volume's going down. That was a hard up move. So they obviously on this hard up move, they reloaded a shitload of it right here.
Yeah.
Like you can see how tall that candle is compared to this one. Well, as it's going down now, tremendous amounts of volume, but it's super flat right here. That's why their barcoding is now because they might be in a bad position on that up move. So now they're kind of, since they're short up there, now they're starting to unload that position here as this goes down. And these are naturally sellers are probably just selling here. I don't know how involved they are with market orders, but it's not puking. Like everybody's like, oh, it's going to run, and then it just dies. Well, then sellers are just naturally going to come in. Fear's kicking in.
Yeah.
Fear kicks in. Greed and fear. And what they do is they reload it and hold it in certain areas to prey on emotions.
Yeah.
And Anna's right. They can't hide what they're doing in the volume. I really thought they could for all this time that they. It's like, dude, they're hiding. I don't understand. I can't see through it.
Yeah. It's like
Now
they're peeking behind the curtain.
Yeah. Well, it being displayed in this way. It's obviously they fucking reloaded this down move. I mean, look
Yeah.
how tall these fucking volume is, and yeah, you can see it on the DOM. It's like, okay, they're reloading, but you can't remember that.
No.
And the problem with the footprint is that's too many numbers. That it just fucks with your eyes when you're just seeing hundreds and hundreds or whatever.
Yeah, your brain can't digest that information. Maybe it can, but that's going to be the only thing you're focusing on. I feel like this is so easily digestible. You and me can bounce between different things. We can look at the price action. We can look at the checklist. We can look at the delta. We can look at the DOM. It's like it lets you bounce around more. Whereas looking at something like the footprint, you're focusing on one thing. And if you only gave me delta, and I was only looking at delta, I don't think I'd be able to trade it. I need the other shit. I need the price action. I need to look at how the DOM is dancing. I need all these other shit,
Yeah, the depth of market does matter because I mean, we obviously see there's reloading on the DOM and just knowing your queue.
Yeah.
But also I think since the edge has always been price action, something needs to fit with it, and histograms or the delta fits with it.
Yeah.
The problem with the histogram is it's always going up.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of the principles in the book you can't see.
Yeah.
Because ES is manipulated 24/7. There are very brief moments where they aren't manipulating it, but they are manipulating it. They're just reloading 24/7.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why it's harder to read on it from a histogram perspective. There is just no cleanliness to it.
Yeah.
So seeing it, how fucking offset the volume is compared to the bars like this.
Yeah.
That really shows you the severity of the reloading. And I don't know, the whole fucking reclaiming the delta is interesting as well. And that paints the picture of them rebalancing the fucking warehouse.
Yeah. And it's worth saying, so does the squawk. The squawk does the same thing, but it's like looking at the DOM. You can't remember it. You can't remember what the squawk did, a minute ago, 2 minutes ago.
What's good about the squawk is when you're kind of analyzing or running a checklist, it gets your attention.
Yeah, it brings you back to the chart. You're like, oh, something's happening.
Yeah, exactly. It's like you're keeping an eye on it, but you're keeping an ear on it.
Yeah, I don't think I'd be able to trade without squawk now that I've used it. I mean, I
I
could
haven't.
obviously, but what I'm saying is it's such an important tool now, and I've only been using it for a week.
Well, that's what Anna says is they pit traders couldn't go to screen trading because they couldn't hear the volume anymore.
Yeah.
But when you're like hearing like, and then it's like, dude, the bars ain't moving. You know, right there.
Yeah.
They just did it.
Yeah. Good example.
Yeah, they just went, and then it didn't move. It's like, okay, they're reloading. I haven't read through the book yet, but it seems like volume is a function of price versus volume. Correct. That's what I think. She mentions, I swear to fuck she does. I'm almost done with my second go on the book, but like the market makers don't give a fuck. They're the insiders. They don't care about the price and where it goes. It's just they have inventory, they unload it, and then they have to recollect it, and then they unload it again, and then they have to recollect it.
Yeah.
They just did it again. See, now look at that volume, dude. But here's the thing, we went up on a hard up move, right? And they had to fucking sell into that. So they have sell positions. All on that up move overall. So now when it's puking, well, since they're short, they're buying it.
Yeah.
Right here when this volume is puking it. And somebody's hitting it. And it's rebalancing inventory as it reclaims, for fuck's sakes. Now the price might be a little bit higher up. Like it really seems like they don't give a fuck about where the price is at all. It's just, are they balanced? But sometimes the buyers and sellers will push on them and they can't do anything about it, because she does talk about it like waterfalls when it starts to short, but it starts to do that waterfall price action.
Yeah.
Like they're almost balanced, but they keep, look how wicky these are.
Yeah,
They're
that was a
fucking
huge wick.
So you know they're short up here because they had to fucking put offers. Now they're fucking getting out.
Yeah.
But here's the deal: you go to the overnight inventory or when the close was. Look how fucking brutal that up move is on the delta from 908 or whatever. So they're also playing on the bigger time frame as well. So they may be, they're collecting like little ticks, right? It's like they're bankrolling.
Yeah.
It's like on these little moves and shit, they're just bankrolling a bigger move that happened a week ago or 2 days ago. And then that's why on the 30-minute chart, you do get the 30-minute does go into slip ranges.
Yeah.
Because now they're fucking rebalancing that overall inventory. So all this little shit like we're seeing now is they're just bankrolling a bigger move.
Yeah.
And then sometimes the market just gets them. And then they have to work their way out of it. And it could take a few days. So that's how I feel about it at this point. It's like they're constantly trying to balance this volume, and as we can see,
Yeah.
but the price just happens to be up.
Yeah.
And that's just an effect of them balancing it. The price is literally just drifting around based off of them balancing inventory.
Yeah, the price is random. They don't give a fuck what the price is.
But the investors and buyers and sellers who aren't them, they're the ones who are overall moving the market. But this is a tax you're paying.
Yeah.
Because they're gaming the spread in some way, and they manipulate it by holding it, and then greed, fear. I mean, everybody's selling here because they don't think it can go up, and we know the big traders make fucking hasty decisions because you can see it in the time and sales and shit. I mean, you'll see a 1600 lot trader get in, and then he gets right back out when the price gets back to him. So, we know that large traders pull fucking hasty decisions, and by them reloading and holding certain areas to rebalance inventory, it preys on emotion. And everybody in this room knows it because everybody here has FOMO'd multiple times. There's been days where you guys are long in tops and short in bottoms, and that's what they need, and they're getting filled on that shit.
Cool, man. I'm so fucking excited. It's gonna be hard for me to wait till Monday to trade again. It's exciting, dude. I love it.
I'm gonna run the store, and then we need to do a hypnosis.
All right.
So I'll be back.
All right, sounds good, man. I'll just shoot me a text when you get back.
All right.
See ya.